Hello millionaire, today I want to share about 5 amazing websites to get paid more and more Dogecoin on your computer or your mobile phone from any corner of the world without any types of knowledge or experience or investing any money or getting any types of help of others or any types of hesitation. You can get paid more and more Dogecoin from any corner of the world. So these websites are called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single week I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. There are lots of videos are available on this Make Money Online platform. If you are a beginner or a student or unemployed person, this platform will be great helpful to make money online without any types of knowledge or experience or skill or any types of investing money on this online platform. So let's get started. Alright, today's first website is called dmine.cc. dmine.cc is one of the best cryptocurrency related or earning Dogecoin website. So this one is amazing and pretty cool website to get paid more and more from any corner of the world. First time if you come to this dmine.cc, this one is the total criteria about this amazing feature. First one, you must complete your registration and get bonus from this trusted website for free 100 GH per second, and this one is a profit. Get a profit in mining and withdraw to your wallet. About the company provides an opportunity to mine Dogecoin on cloud mining platform. The company will own a mining farm from where generated profit is distributed to users. Registration bonus, so you will get paid 100 GS per second bonuses on this permanent basis over here. So first time, what should you do? I want to share this one is the common statistics about this dmine.cc, and you can trust you can create your trustworthy from your platform this from any corner of the world. First time, this one is the these are the common questions, I mean frequently asked questions over here. Before starting your journey on this platform, you must know all the answers about this. So what is dmine and what is minimum deposits amount, what is the currency, do you work, is there an affiliate program, and if you come over here, this one is 100% of the amount when you purchase your GAs per second partners. And can I create multiple accounts? The creation of multiple accounts by a single user is strictly prohibited. This activity will lock all accounts, so you must maintain this criteria to create your account on your searchable device from any corner of the world. So this one is what determines the speed of mining. The speed of mining depends on the purchased amount of GH per second and what is the minimum withdrawal amount, 20 Dogecoin. So these are the common features to know before starting your journey. First time, you can connect to their support team by providing your name, email address, subject and your message just over here. So what should you do? After coming here, just click on the sign up button, and then there is a picture, I mean there is a page. You must provide your email address and Dogecoin address over here, and this one is a password. So how will you create your DOS address? First time, I would like to share this one. This is the called my.dog.info. This one is amazing feature to create your Dogecoin amount address, I mean wallet address over here. First of all, you must create your account. Just click on this create wallet, and then you can get your Dogecoin address wallet over here. So I would like to click this one, and there is the option, and this one is an amazing feature. After creating your account or sign up or on this platform, there is a address to use as a Dogecoin address. So first of all, you must copy from this and come to this feature over here, and then must provide this one, and this one is the password, and then click on this sign up button. After creating your account on this platform, there is a feature, I mean common criteria or page, this one. So there is mining and it has been started, and this one will be increased day by day. Just create your account and then get paid after mining on this dmine.cc. After creating your account, you can deposit. Just click on this menu over here, and this one is a minimum deposit amount 0.00175 BTC, as you can use as a BTC, or you can use also this one is a Litecoin, and this one is a Bitcoin Cash, and this one is a Dogecoin and others. So you can deposit any amount of money, as you can see here, on different types of wallet. So first time, this one is deposit, and this one is a deposit history and withdraw history and affiliates over here. First of all, if you click on this, there is a link, and you can provide the link on different types of platform. I mean social media like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, Telegram channel, and WhatsApp group. So more sharing, more earning by using this referral link as an affiliate program. So first of all, after doing all this, and you must click on this withdraw button, and there is an option to withdraw your amount of money from this platform on your computer or your mobile phone easily, or other devices. First of all, after confirm your 20 Dogecoin on this, you can request for this to withdraw from this platform over here. So this one is my Dogecoin wallet address. It has been come here, and I added on this platform before, and this one is enter amount. You can provide 20 Dogecoin, and then this one is the option to click on this withdraw. So this is the common feature, and you can start your journey as a newbie or a beginner or a new freelancer to earn extra Dogecoin on this platform to ensure more and more. Now I would like to share another one. This one is called another website, dogefaucet.com. This one is a trusted website to ensure your Dogecoin, and just come to this interface and get your free Dogecoin. Now you must provide your over here, and I would like to paste this one which I get from this platform. You must provide this one over here, and this one checkbox, I'm not a robot, and you will be able to get more and more Dogecoin from this website, I think. So this one is a trusted website because I want to share about this website, total website, I mean by using similar web, global rank, country rank, category rank, and over here these are lots of people are working. United States, Kingdom, Germany, Canada, Indonesia, and other people are working on this Dogecoinfaucet.com. So then I would like to share another one. This one is the third website, I mean fdg.exchange.cc. If you search on this website after coming to this Google, and there is amazing feature, and you must provide your Dogecoin address to get paid more and more Dogecoin by mining. So I would like to share or I like to paste the Dogecoin wallet address over here, and this one is a submit button, and it has take a moment to start your mining on this platform to earn extra Dogecoin from any corner of the world. Just wait, and you can get paid more and more Dogecoin dollars from here. So this one is a Dogecoin faucet. Get free Dogecoin directly at 100% of referrals activity. I mean you can get paid more and more Dogecoin by sharing your link as a referral program. So these are the common features you must know before starting your journey over here. I recommend you to start your journey on this. So just wait, and you will be able to get paid more and more. Now I would like to share another one. How will you get paid more and more, or how will you convert your Dogecoin to USD? First of all, if you search about this on Google, and there is a common feature, one Dogecoin equal to $0.05, I mean USD, and if you just search about 100, there is a $5, I mean you will be able to get paid $5, $20, $50, $100, $500 more and more by using this website, I mean to collect or to earn your Dogecoin by using this platform. Now I would like to share another one. This is called the Pipeplayer.io. Pipeplayer.io is another trusted website to get your Dogecoin more and more. Just come to this and click on this register button over here. First time you must provide your first name, and this one is email address, password, repeat password, and just click on this checkbox over here, and this one is I'm not a robot, and get started on this 5player.io to get more and more Dogecoin from any corner of the world. Now this one is the final and last apps on this platform. If you use your Android, just start installing on a phone, I mean mobile phone or Android phone. Just you must install this apps from Google Play Store and get paid or get mining more and more easily from any corner of the world. So these are the total 5 websites to start your journey. First time, this one is called dmine.cc, and second one is called dozfaucet.com. third one is exchange.cc. fourth one is 5player.io, and fifth one is called applove.com, which is very cool to install on your Android phone for earning extra money from any corner of the world. Thanks for watching my videos till then. I cordially request to watch my previous videos from a Make Money Online. If you are first time in my channel, please share and subscribe to this Make Money Online to get paid more and more free money by watching step-by-step videos from my YouTube channel, I mean Make Money Online. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.